Neville Goddard often spoke about the SATS technique. He believed that this hypnotic condition in a sleep-like state was the perfect time to impress your subconscious mind with your desires. But for many people, it is difficult to enter this state, and if they do, they don't know how they can effectively visualize their desires. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can enter a state akin to sleep and how you can effectively visualize your desires in this state. But before we start, I would like to ask our new viewers to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. It helps us make more videos for you. So let's get started. So, what is SATs? Essentially, it is a state of mind that you enter just before falling asleep. According to Neville, around 15 minutes before we drift off into a deep slumber, we enter a dreamlike state of consciousness. This is the perfect time to visualize your ambitions, dreams, and desires, which will have a powerful impact on your subconscious mind. The key to entering into this state is to be entirely relaxed, yet aware that you are awake. You will automatically enter a sleep-like state when you are in this state of mind. This is the time to focus on what you want to manifest and let your subconscious mind take over. When you convince your subconscious mind that your manifestations are authentic, it will work to manifest your desires. However, when entering a state akin to sleep, the conscious mind tends to create doubts, worries, and fears to prevent our manifestations from happening. This is why most desires do not materialize for some people because they do not believe it is possible. However, when you are in a sleep-like condition, your vibrational frequency changes. This lucid state allows your logical mind to shut down, which, in turn, allows your subconscious mind to open to all the possibilities. Therefore, the conscious mind cannot divert or convince us of what we wish to manifest. The subconscious mind cannot differentiate between imagination and reality, and this opens up the possibility for your dreams to become realized. When you are in a sleep-like condition, you can use visualization to create images that form an impression in your subconscious mind. To do this, think about the goals and desires you wish to realize. Visualize your desire by making a mental movie and playing out each phase. The longer you are able to keep your visualization going, the deeper it's going to be inscribed in your subconscious mind. You play the movie in your head, and the subconscious believes it to be your true reality because your conscious mind is switched off. This is the beauty of SATs. Your logical mind can't communicate with your subconscious and tell it that it's not real. So, use your imagination every night to impress the subconscious mind that you have attained your dreams, and they will manifest faster. According to Neville Goddard, achieving a sleep-like condition takes up to 15 minutes. In this condition, many people enter the road to lucid dreaming. This sleep-like condition is a state in which your body is not completely asleep but very close to it. It's a moment when you can allow your subconscious mind to take over while your body relaxes. Your body sleeps, but your subconscious remains awake. This is the perfect opportunity to let your imagination run wild and visualize your goals. Neville Goddard believed that our imagination is the most powerful tool that God has given us. And it's true. Our human imagination is limitless. It's the gateway to our dreams and desires. So, while in this sleep-like state, you can use your imagination to manifest your dreams into reality. However, to make the most of this sleep-like state, it's important to repeat this process every night for a minimum of 22 days. Why 22 days? Well, it's believed that it takes 21 days to form a new habit. By practicing this sleep-like state for 22 days, you are increasing your chances of making it a part of your daily routine. During the sleep-like state, your vibrational energy will rise for the next 22 days, and manifestations will begin to occur more quickly. On average, the sleep-like state lasts for a few seconds to several minutes. However, if you have clear and vivid eyesight, it can usually last between 10 and 20 minutes. For people who have had a lot of practice with the sleep-like condition, their first encounters may last longer. However, if you want to remain in this state for a longer period of time, it's important to identify the factors that cause you to wake up. Consider the length of your visualization session and try to avoid waking up immediately after entering the sleep-like state. It's also important to note that if you persist in keeping the image of your desires in your mind for a longer period of time, you will eventually fall asleep. So it's best to aim for a state of drowsiness when attempting to reach a sleep-like state. The time of day is also crucial if you want to prolong your visualization span. Attempting to reach a sleep-like state during the day can be harder than at night. This is because the brain's frequencies aren't synchronic due to the subconscious mind's reprogramming cycle. So it's best to invest the last 60 minutes of your day in preparing your thoughts to impress your desires on the subconscious mind. I suggest writing your thoughts and wishes down in a diary. Call it an emotional or mental journal, and attend to it throughout the day or at night before going to sleep. Now I'm going to explain 5 strategies that will help you get into the right mindset. First, set clear intentions for what you want to manifest in your life. Whether it's a career goal, a personal milestone, or a change in your relationships, write it down in your diary with as much detail as possible. Set a deadline for yourself and break down the steps you need to take to achieve your goal. By doing this, you are sending a clear signal to your subconscious mind that this is what you want to focus on. Your mind will work on finding ways to make it a reality, even while you sleep. So, take some time before bed to write down your top 10 most important desires for the next year and describe why you want to accomplish them in detail. This will not only give you direction and motivation, but will also allow your mind to work on finding solutions while you rest. Second, create a relaxing environment for yourself while you write. You can do this by listening to meditation music without lyrics, which can help soothe your mind and shift your brain activity into a theta brainwave. This is the same state your brain enters during deep sleep, so it's a great way to signal to your mind that it's time to wind down. Avoid overstimulating your brain with social media, TV, or video games before bed, as this can keep you in a beta brainwave, which is associated with high levels of alertness and activity. Instead, create a routine where you take some time to write in your journal and listen to calming music before you go to sleep. Third, visualize an image board or pictures of your desires. The subconscious mind functions in image format, and this technique helps embed your desires into your subconscious mind. To create a vision board, you need to gather images of your desires and arrange them on a board. Be specific and detailed about what you want to manifest. For example, if you want a car, identify the exact make and model, the color, and even the interior. The important thing about visualization is that you must imagine your desires as you look at the images on your vision board. Visualization is an essential part of the process. As you visualize your desires, you are telling your subconscious mind what you want to manifest. The more specific your visualization, the more likely it is that your desires will materialize as you imagined them. Therefore, creating a vision board with your desires and imagining them before sleep will benefit the visualization process. Once you begin visualizing, you may easily remember the image of what you want. Each picture on your vision board will become embedded in your subconscious mind as you examine it. Search for photos of the specific object you want to materialize and be as detailed as possible. The more detailed your image, the more likely it is that it will materialize exactly as you imagined it. Visualization has been used by successful people for years. Athletes visualize winning the game or beating their opponents before a competition. Business people visualize their success before an important meeting. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals. Fourth, use binaural beats in a theta brainwave. Binaural beats are designed to slow down brain activity, which will help you access your subconscious mind more easily. The theta brainwave is a state of mind that is associated with deep relaxation and meditation. By using binaural beats in a theta brainwave, you can enter a deep state of relaxation, which will allow you to access your subconscious mind more easily. To use binaural beats, you need to listen to them with headphones or earbuds. Each ear will have a different tone, which will provide variation in tones for each ear. The result is a natural chemistry that will increase your brain activity. You can only hear the beats with headphones or earbuds. When you employ binaural beats after listening to relaxation music, it shortens the time it takes for your mind to enter the theta brain state. You will enter a sleep-like state once you start feeling exceedingly relaxed but are not sleeping. The condition is best described as hypnotic or dreamlike. You can still think and imagine, but your consciousness has decreased. Binaural beats are used for various purposes, such as reducing stress and anxiety, improving focus and concentration, and inducing sleep. Binaural beats in the theta. Theta brainwave is a state of mind that is associated with deep meditation, creativity, and insight. By using binaural beats in a theta brainwave, you can access your subconscious mind more easily and manifest your desires more effectively. Fifth, the most important part of the process is to exercise visualization until you are asleep. To begin, imagine yourself in a peaceful state where you feel as though you are already asleep. Then, play out your desires in your head like a movie and recall all the images from your image board. Remember why you want your manifestation to come to fruition. The key is to replay this movie in your conscious mind as many times as possible until it is deeply ingrained in your subconscious. Focus only on the positive aspects of your manifestation and release any doubts, worries, or anxieties. Include emotions in your visualization technique and hold that image briefly. It's essential to remember that feeling is the secret to successful manifestation. The sleep-like state typically lasts between 10 and 15 minutes, but the benefits can be significant. When you wake up in the morning, take advantage of your open subconscious mind and begin your day with visualization. Your brain activity will begin to shift from theta to alpha, which is the perfect time to recall your wishes for 5 minutes or until you are fully awake. By spending this extra time, you can improve your chances of success by helping your subconscious mind realize your goals. This powerful visualization method is a tested and effective tool for breaking through any limitations or obstacles to achieve your desires. Remember that we are all blessed with unlimited power, and we only need to learn how to harness it. By incorporating visualization into your daily routine, you can transform your reality and attain your manifestation goals. I hope I delivered a good analysis of this famous method by Neville Goddard, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.